Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to see the match keyword that we can use as a conditional statements. So continuing to the last video where we had written these line of code in order to perform some checks. So let's say that we want to have something, some more information for a player. So let's say we have a variable called int, and here we are storing an age. So let's say we give it an age of let's say 25. Now, in order to do the checks, so we do have this if statement and elif statement and else statements that we saw in the last video. Now, what we do have another type of conditional statement called match. So how do we do that? Is let me just go ahead and click this caret symbols in order to minimize them. And over here, what I can do is I can type in match, and then I have to define the variable or basically a value for to which I want to make the like I want to make the conditions. So here I want to match the age, so I'll type in age and then I will put the colon symbol. Now in order to match the age with what value, so here I have to provide a value. So let's say if the value is, let's say, 25. So if the value is 25, then what? Then I want to print your age is 25 years. Okay. And let's say we have another value called, let's say, 30. So here I'll say your age is 30 years. So what is happening over here is basically I have one more conditional statement called match. In that we are passing the variable which we want to check for, and then here we are just giving the different values, the possible values that we can have, and inside this after colon symbol basically we are uh, putting our code. So let's say if I hit play, what will happen? So this thing you can say your this thing is coming, your age is 25 years. So basically the age variable is getting matched against this, whether the age is equals to 25 or not. And if only this condition is getting true, then I am basically getting this statement as a executed code. So what will happen if I change my code? So from here, if I, let's say, have an 30, so if I hit replay, so your age is 30. So basically this code is getting executed since the age is equals to 30. So this condition is getting true, and this particular line of code is getting displayed. So this was it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to create a basic conditional statements. And so this was it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to use loops in our code. So see you in the next video.